Hello everyone and happy March 2023. My name is Kyle and I'm here to do the unboxing of the March Knit Box. So as you know, those of you, if you haven't opened your box or haven't received it yet, give you just a moment. Spoilers ahead, spoilers ahead. So the March Knit Box comes in a red box and inside, this is what we find. So generally there's always a little funny, punny little joke that sort of hints at the theme of the box. There's always some tissue paper, consider it tissue paper. And it looks like we have two burritos of goodness in here. So let's open these. Let's try this one here. So this is a yarn. There are two different yarns in this box. Ooh, well, this isn't a whole lot of a hint, is it? There's some undyed yarns. This is Trekking XXL is the yarn. This is a hank of undyed Trekking, so just a natural color. And then this other one must be another one here. So perhaps we're doing color work. Wondering what you're doing. Here is the second one. Oh, yeah. So this is called Admiral X Pro. This is a yarn by Sheppel. It's 75% GOTS certified wool and 25% biodegradable nylon. So the biodegradable part, don't worry, it's not gonna like biodegrade while you're wearing the thing that you made, but over time this nylon does biodegrade, which is really awesome. It's a little more environmentally kind, I guess, kind to the environment, right? So we got two different hanks of yarn to make the Vernal socks. So these are the Vernal socks. This is the pattern. Get a printed copy of the pattern. Of course, you're going to get a download code as well, so you can download a digital copy either to your email, save it on your device, or you can add it to your Ravelry library. You're gonna get some little candies. There's a couple little mints. These are key lime flavored. And then this is what the sock looks like. So this is a fun little sock. It's got some garter stripes in it. It has a really interesting heel that what I think is really great is the way that the heel blends very beautifully into this vertical, well, horizontal line. So one little note about the sock. So this one we did patterning all the way around it, but if you don't want this patterning at the bottom, just keep doing the garter stitch, the rounds of garter stitch without the patterning at the bottom. And some people, you know, if you have sensitivity on the top of your foot, you could certainly just begin that patterning once you've passed the top of your foot. Has a little rounded heel, a cute little rounded heel. And so that's what the socks look like. Here's its mate. I was like, where's its friend? Here it is. That is the Vernal socks. And then the last thing that's in here is something else. There's a little treat, a little goodie, wrapped in the green tissue paper this time because it's March. Open, open, open. Sometimes it's hard to open these things, isn't it? But we're gonna get there. There we go. Here it comes. This is, I think it's super cool. So this is a yarn cutter. That's what the yarn cutter looks like. And it's on a little key ring, and then it has this little clasp, so you can attach it to your project bag or to your, you know, your backpack or your purse or whatever. And then this part here, there's a little tiny, like a little round cutting tool, a little razor that's inside here. And so it makes it so that you can always cut your yarn wherever you go. So if you're on a plane or, you know, traveling somewhere where scissors might be restricted, this generally will be accepted for those kinds of situations. So you've got this cute little yarn cutter and this oil slick finish. That is the gift for the March Knit Box. So for those of you who know, you already know, but for those of you that the Knit Box might be new, this is a monthly subscription. It's reasonably priced. You can go onto our website, which is makersmercantile.com. You sign up on the website, and each month we send you out a box full of there's a pattern, there's always a yarn, there's a download code so you can get a digital copy of the pattern. There's a little something treat, a little fun something treat of some kind, usually a candy or something, and then a little gift as well. So that is March, my friends. If you'd like to be in line to get some of the April goodies, then grab a computer or your phone and go on over to the website and sign up. If you're interested in one of the remaining March boxes, there are just a few left. There's not that many. So it might be by the time you see the video, they might all be gone. But head on over to the website. On the subscriptions page, you'll see the available remaining boxes from past months. So that is it for March. That's it for me for now. We'll see you again in April. Until then, stay safe and happy knitting. Thanks for watching.